Okay, hello everyone. This is Ms. Rara with our Algebra 2 midterm review day 2. This is problem number 4. Sasha wants 20 bags of snacks. Doritos cost $5 a bag. Chips cost $2.50 a bag. She only has $80 to spend. How many bags of each should she buy? The guests prefer Doritos. So we have A is 10 Doritos and 10 chips. So we have 10 times 5 is $50 plus 10 times 250 is 25. 50 plus 25 is 75. Option B, we have 11 Doritos and 9 chips. 11 times 5 is 55 plus 9 times the 250 is 2250 for a total of 7750. Option C is 12 Doritos and 8 chips. 12 times 5 is 60 plus 8 times 250 is 20. So 60 plus 20 is 80. So we hit our goal there. Letter D is 14 Doritos and 6 chips, so that's 14 times 5 plus 6 times 250, which is 70 plus 15, which is $85, which exceeds our budget, and therefore we want to go with option C. We get the most Doritos for our money of $80. Again, guys, please be doing this just as you would notes in class. I know we're at home and we're working virtually, but let's try to keep it just as if we were doing notes. You can play back the video, watch it a second or third time, pause it as you need. Okay, you are given an inequality system, and you are asked to find which of the given points is in fact a solution to this inequality system. So what you want to do is you want to plug in -4, 3 as a point, and so we go to when x is -4 and y is +3. I used the interval of 2 boxes for every 1 unit. So -4 goes to 3, and that will be the solution for 1, but not for the other. Actually, it's not a solution for either because this one's down. Okay, so that one's not a solution of either of our systems. Then I go to either of our linear inequalities, I'm sorry. B is 3, 2. So there's 3, 2, and bingo. That point is, in fact, in the double shaded region. Therefore, that point is a solution to this system of inequalities. If we go to C, I have 4 goes to -3. And again, I've labeled that for you. That is not, it would be in the red, but it is not in the doubly shaded region. So it's a solution to 1, but not both of my inequalities. Letter D is -5, -4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then -4, 2 boxes is 1 unit. And so that, again, would be a solution to one of my inequalities, but it would not be the solution to both. So the only one that works is 3, 2. And again, on your paper, on your midterm, please look for the doubly shaded region and ensure that your point is, in fact, in there. Okay, 7 and 8 were given to you yesterday. So we're going to go to problem number 9, and I'm going to apologize. I have to revise the material copy I sent you. This graph I forgot to import. So if you're looking and say, Miss Rara, there's no graph, there isn't, but there will be on the midterm, and I will revise that later. So what they want is number 9 says, where are the zeros? And if you recall, the zeros are the same as the x-intercepts. They're the same as the solutions. They're the same as the roots. All of those 4 words mean the same. So the zeros is where it crosses the x-axis. And where are those 2 points? Is it 2 and -7? Well, here's 2. No. Is it 1 and -9? No. Is it -2 and 4? Yes. And so those are my 2 endpoints, and so those are my 2 zeros. And again, -2, 4 is option C, and that is the correct solution. Going to 1 and -5, this would be 1 and -5. So again, when it says zeros, you're looking for the x-intercepts. Next, we want the minimum point, which is the lowest point on my graph. And where does that occur? That occurs when x is 1 and y is -9, and that should be corresponding to option B on the form that I sent you. So again, when x is 1 and y is -9 is the correct solution. If you guys can just do a quick sketch of this before you turn in your notes, that would be awesome. Okay, we did 9, we did 10, we have 2 problems left, and then I am going to send out your midterm through Google Forms, and you will just input all of your letters. Here's number 11. We have -16t squared plus 128t equals h of t. H of t represents the height of a rocket that's launched from the ground. When will it hit the ground again? So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put this into desmos.com. And I apologize, I am having issues with my computer, so bear with me. When you go to Desmos, you're going to see the rocket's going to be launched, and it's going to hit the ground again. And so all we want to look for is this. And you're going to count the little tick marks. And in this instance, the answer is after 8 seconds. You can also do this algebraically, but I think the quickest and easiest way for you guys to do this is just to go ahead and utilize desmos.com. Okay? You can also do substitution over here and set the height equal to 0. So again, 2 ways that you can do it. You can substitute in for t, set the height equal to 0, because when the item is on the ground, the height off the ground is 0. And you can substitute, and very quickly you'll see 50 is way too big, and you'll be able to narrow it down. Okay, moving on to number 12. There are 2 video companies, Amazon and Comcast, that are vying for your business. That means they want you, they want your money. Amazon's charging a per month fee of $30 plus a premium video rental fee of $10. So again, I usually like to circle that because that's important information. Again, this is totally hypothetical. No disrespect to either company. That's just, I thought you would know them. So for new releases, Comcast charges $5 per movie rental, but they charge $40 per month as a service fee. So A says create a linear model for Amazon, and I'm going to go a little closer for you. And so we have y equals the unit rate is your slope, which is 10. You're paying $10 per movie that you rent. X is the number of movies that you're going to rent. The 30 is my fixed fee. That's my y-intercept. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Create a linear model for Comcast. Y equals 5, which is the price per movie I rent, times X number of movies, and plus 40, which is my fixed monthly fee. When will the prices be the same? The prices will be the same after 2 months. Again, guys, I'm going to suggest you go to desmos.com, put in both of your equations into Desmos, and just look to see where they both cross. Again, go into Desmos, and you're going to look to see where these cross, and that will be the number of months. The next question down says, what is the cost when they are the same? If you're in Desmos, you're going to go over here. This is going to be the price, and this is going to be the months. The months will be your x-axis. The price will be your y-axis. Okay? Hope that's helped you. If you need more help, please check into Google Meet. Just please watch the postings. Again, I am having technical issues. I think that they're resolved. Everybody have a great day. Good luck on your midterm. Stay safe.